Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine, staying safe at home with your family. So welcome to the English online lesson with Teacher EU. Today we are going to learn Unit 6 of the Year 3 syllabus under the title Food Please. And we are going to use the Get Smart 3 book, page 57 as our reference. Let's go. Alright, so in this lesson, you are going to, number 1, learn sentence structures. Number 2, answer some questions. Okay, so now let's go to the lesson for the day. Right, today we are going to learn sentence structures. Alright, so now let's look at the first sentence structure. Right, okay. Is there any milk? Is there any milk? Okay, so this is a question. Ini ialah soalan. Dia tanya, ada susu tak? Okay, milk is susu. Soalan ni tanya, ada susu tak? Okay, so there are two ways to answer this question. Right, it's either yes or no. Okay, if your answer is yes, then you can answer yes, there is. Okay, kalau jawapan awak ada, okay, dia tanya tadi, ada susu tak? Kalau jawapannya ada, kita jawab, yes, there is. Right? If the answer is no, kalau jawapan dia tiada, right, we can answer, no, there isn't. Right? One more time. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Right? If you can see, right, when the question start with is, the answer also is or isn't. Kalau soalan dia mula daripada is, jawapan pun dia is ataupun isn't. Okay? Alright, so now let's look at the examples. Right? Okay, so these examples are from the picture. Okay, example number 1, the question, is there any milk? Ada milk tak? Ada susu tak? So in this picture, can you see the milk? Right, so this is the milk. So the answer is yes, there is. Number 2, is there any flour? So this is the flour, right? So the answer is yes, there is. Number 3, is there any cake? There is no cake here. So the answer is no, there isn't. Number 4, is there any peas? So there are no peas here. Okay, kacang peas tak ada. So the answer is no, there isn't. Okay, boys and girls, let's read the question and answer together. Number 1, is there any milk? Yes, there is. Is there any flour? Yes, there is. Is there any cake? No, there isn't. Is there any peas? No, there isn't. Okay? Alright, so now let's go to the second sentence structure. Right? Are there any peppers? Okay, now we use the word are. Just now tadi kita guna is. Okay, now we use are. Okay, are is for plural. Okay, are kita guna untuk plural, untuk benda yang lebih daripada satu. Tadi is kita guna untuk benda tu satu saja. Alright, so are there any peppers means ada cili benggala tak? Alright, so this is how you can answer the questions. Number 1, yes, there are. Okay, kalau ada, yes, there are. Okay, if the answer is no, then no, there aren't. No, there aren't. Okay, similarly to the previous structure, okay, when the question start with are, then the answer also are or aren't. Okay, kalau soalan ni kita guna are, jawapan pun are ataupun aren't. Okay, alright, now let's read together. Are there any peppers? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Now let's look at the examples, right? The examples are from this picture. Number 1, are there any carrots? Are there any carrots? Okay, here are the carrots. So the answer is yes, there are. Number 2, are there any onions? Bawang. Ada bawang tak? Here are the onions, right? So the answer is yes, there are. Number 3, are there any coconuts? Can you see any coconuts here? No, right? So the answer is no, there aren't. 4, are there any pineapples? Can you see any pineapples here? No. So the answer is no, there aren't. Okay, right, now let's go through the examples one more time. Are there any carrots? Yes, there are. Are there any onions? Yes, there are. Are there any coconuts? No, there aren't. Are there any pineapples? No, there aren't. Okay, so I hope you can understand the sentence structures very well. Okay, so now let's go to the task for today's lesson. Your task for today is answer the worksheets given. You can print them and paste them in your pitch exercise book, your E2. Right, so there are 2 worksheets here, right? You have to write the answer in the space given. Okay, the first worksheet you have to choose. Is it yes, there is, or no, there isn't? Okay, the second one, you have to choose yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Okay, you just fill in the blank. Awak isi je tempat kosong. Alright, dengan jawapan yang telah diberi. Alright, so that's all for today. If you have any questions or any problems, please ask me through the Telegram or WhatsApp. Alright, so good luck and goodbye.